Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to Dr. Rafiz. My name is Fatima Al-Zahra binti Mazuki. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce my group mates. For the first one is Nur Irene Shazrin. The second one, Ayn Nabila. The third one, Niza Nazura. The fourth one, Candice Cynthia. And the last one, Alice Tiffany. So we are going to present our RDRAM.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nu'eli Shazrin binti Saadi. Today, I would like to explain about keyword of RD-DRAM. The keyword is important because it represents another piece of information that is more or more detailed. RD-DRAM is a stand for Rambus Dynamic Random Access Memory. You can type just by searching RD-DRAM. In the context of the website, this keyword are words that describe the entire content of the website. RD-DRAM keyword is a series of words that can represent the website and all the content therein. Or in the other words, they can compose their entire website in a series of short words, the keyword. This keyword become very important not only for the reason mentioned above, but also because these keywords are the words typed by potential visitors to search on Google and finally find RD-DRAM website. RD-DRAM website can be easily found by simply typing those keywords. After that, there will be many websites to recommend and for users to choose to find the information they want about RD-DRAM. With this short keyword, it is easy for users to remember and search for the information. Because every website on RD-DRAM contains a technical RD-DRAM definition and it explains what RD-DRAM means in computing terminology. All definitions are written on the RD-DRAM website to be technically accurate but also easy to understand.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to Sir Rafiz. Today I'm going to present RDRAM and I'm going to present my part, which is the introduction of RDRAM. So the RDRAM is Rambus Dynamic Random Access Memory. Is a memory technology that offers 1.6 GB theoretical memory bandwidth and offers improved memory access at a slightly higher cost. A memory subsystem designed to transfer data at faster rates. Also, the RDRAM is made up of a random access memory, which is RAM, a RAM controller and a bus path that connect RAM to microprocessors and other PC devices. The RDRAM can transfer data at a speed up to 800 MHz. And also, the type of RAM made by Rambus, and it is the fastest type of computer memory available. The next one for introduction, most boards cannot fully benefit from the speed. Because of this, RDRAM is typically used for video memory on graphics accelerator cards, for cache memory located on the CPU, and for system memory in high-performance workstation and servers. The next one for introduction, the RAM connected to an RDRAM motherboard using a 184-pin connector versus the 168-pin connector of the dual inline memory model, which is DIMM, used for SDRAM. The last one for introduction, an improvement to RDRAM called Direct Rambus, which is DRAM. It allows for even faster data transfer rates. My next part is use or function of the technology. So for the first one, this picture shows the BIOS of the SSPV P40 board with RDRAM support. It is possible to manually adjust the ratio between the front side bus and memory speed. The second picture is the CPU fast string. Option is only found on motherboard with RDRAM memory. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ainabila and today I'm gonna talk about the history of RDRAM. So, Rambus was founded in March 1990 by electrical and computer engineers Dr. Mike Farnwell and Dr. Mike Horowitz. The company's early investors included premier venture capital and investment banking firms such as Kenya Perkins Cofield and Bayers, Merrill Lynch, Davido Ventures, and Goldman Sachs. RDRAM was introduced in 1999 by Rambus. RDRAM technology was considerably faster than older memory models like synchronous DRAM. In addition, Rambus was incorporated and founded as California company in 1990, then reincorporated in the state of Delaware before the company went public in 1997. Then, Rambus DRAM technology was integrated into products such as Nintendo 60, Microsoft Talisman 3D graphics chipsets, Creative Labs graphic-based 3D graphic cards for PCs, workstation manufactured by Silicon Graphics, and Intel memory system memory for PCs. Moreover, Rambus purchased cryptography research on June 6, 2011 at worth $1,462.65 in Malaysian ringgit. So today, Rambus derived the majority of its annual revenue by licensing its technology and patents for chip interface to its customer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Sir Razif. So today I'm gonna talk about my slide, which is advantage and disadvantage of RDRAM. The first advantage of RDRAM is it provides higher density level. Since a single DRAM cell is composed of only two components, a transistor and capacitor, DRAM can be made a high densities and it is inexpensive compared to other types of memory. Second is, its design is simple and only require one transistor. DRAM are expensive and consume more power. They require less transistor per little bit of memory. They are mostly used as a main memories. Third is, it is a low comparison to alternative types of memory such as SRAM. DRAM is less expensive to make because of its less complex manufacture. Also, the simple structure of DRAM in comparison with SRAM also permits more data storage on the former. The last one of advantage of DRAM is it can store in DRAM. DRAM is widely used in digital electronics where low cost and high capacity memory is required. Besides advantage, of course, there are limitations of this DRAM. Next is it loses data when power is off. Unlike non-volatile storage, DRAM is volatile memory when it loses its data quickly when the power is removed. However, DRAM does exhibit limited storage remnants. The transistor and capacitor used are extremely small. Lastly, it has higher power consumption compared to SRAM. In SRAM, one block of memory requires 6 transistors, whereas DRAM needs only one transistor for one block of memory.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kenny Clintia, and this is tool gadgets used by the technology. RDRAM uses Rambus inline memory module technology, which is installed in pair transfer data from rising and falling clock signal at guess and doubles physical clock rate. RIMM technology travels a 60-byte bus that is similar to a packet network with transmit data group. Internal RIMM speeds operate from 400 MHz to 800 MHz via a 400 MHz system bus, and a standard 400 MHz Rambus is known as a PC 800 Rambus. The Rambus 60-byte uses a set of data processing further with a steady, secure stream known as pipeline that facilitates the output of an instruction prior to the input of the next instruction.
Okay, the next is the future of memory. First is conventional DRAM processes and manufacturing technology. RDRAMs use conventional DRAM processes and manufacturing technology. Second is type of dynamic memory which is invented by Rambus is RDRAM. Rambus designed the new type of dynamic memory which is also known as DRAM. Then third is high speed type of memory with 64 megabyte of 64 megabyte. RDRAM also is an unbelievable innovation in memory technology. RDRAM is an extremely high speed type of memory with running at 64 megabytes. Then RDRAM is capable burst at fast at 2ns a byte. Then RDRAM also can handle transfer rates in excess of 533 MHz and making it the clear choice for anyone who wanting to handle the next wave of P2s. Then Rambus may conduct and have damaged its ability to enter the long-term partnership with the major manufacturers. Okay, next is the industry using a lot of Rambus, which RDRAM will grow in the next couple of years. Then also RDRAM expected in the long term of RDRAM is expected to be kicked because it doesn't have the trust of the industry. This is the one of the advantages of RDRAM. So because RDRAM is expected to be kicked from the industry, so RDRAM will face the struggle from the DDR standard, which has seen by many as more cost-effective way to meet the growing demand for high-performance memory. Based on Gartner research series in March, show that SDRAM makes up 84% of the current memory market, with RDRAM accounting for 8% and DDR for 3.5%. So in conclusion, the RDRAM will not be used in the future, but there are more to SDRAM's memory. Thank you.
So, as the conclusion for RDRAM, we have pointed out that Intel isn't the only one supporting RDRAM and that AMD holds a license to their memory controller technology alongside Intel. For the second conclusion, the reason Intel is taking all of the heat is mainly because of RDRAM is so incredibly expensive and they are attempting to make a very sudden transition to the technology. For the third conclusion, Rambus DRAM, which is RDRAM, together with its successors concurrent Rambus DRAM, CRDRAM, moreover to direct Rambus DRAM, are style of synchronous dynamic random access memory SRAM developed by Rambus from 1990s through to early 2000. Number 4, the conclusion also, the third generation of Rambus DRAM, which is RAM, was replaced by XDR DRAM. And the last one, Rambus DRAM, was developed for high bandwidth applications as alive as was positioned by Rambus as replacement for various types of advanced memory such as SRAM. That's all for our presentation today. Thank you.